I have a polo.
That you don't wear,
No.
that you will now start wearing, because look at this. Hi everyone, welcome to Hue Harmony Studio. In today's session, I'm going to analyze Mirko's colors. Thank you, Mirko, for being here. In the tonal approach, there are 6 categories as dominant features. We have light and deep, clear and soft, and warm and cool. Analyzing Mirko's coloring, I know that he has dark hair, dark eyes, dark eyebrows, dark beard. So it's quite an obvious dominant coloring for today, for today consultation. So I can quickly go down the list and ticking off all the dominants that are not yours. So we definitely can say that you're not a light. Clearly no blonde hair, blue eyes. You are not a clear, because for that you will have to have light eyes. If you had your hair but light eyes, then you would definitely be a clear. You are not a soft, because your hair and your eyes are too dark for being a soft. And you're not a warm, because there's no warmth in your hair, that you don't have any redness in your hair. And also you are not cool, because you don't have white or gray hair. It might be that later in life, when you do have gray hair, then you will transition from being a deep to a cool. So then, of course, your colors will change also. But that's later in life. Let's not worry about that now. So we definitely know already that you are a deep, with no doubts. The next thing that we want to focus on is, as the second category, is your undertone. So now I'm going to pull out some drapes for checking if you have a warm undertone or a cool undertone. So now we are going to focus on your face. Let's not be distracted by the color itself and by the preference of the colors, because we know we do like some colors and some others we might not. So this is deep and cool, deep and warm, deep and cool, deep and warm. I think it's quite clear. I have to say, you don't look bad in any of these colors, because you have a nice tan already. And anyway, you always have a good color, even when you're not tanned. So you have a natural golden glow to your skin. But when we look at the cool colors, you lose that a little bit. You lose that light a little bit in your skin. When we go to the warm colors, you really come to life a lot more. You can see like a nice glow to your skin. It also evens out like some imperfections. And when we go cool, you seem paler. Even though you are quite tanned, you seem paler. And when you go warm, the tan and the glow in your skin comes out. It's definitely warm undertone. So now that we know that you are a deep and warm, the next thing that we're going to check is the clarity. So I have 4 drapes here. Half of them are clear, so they are quite bright and vibrant colors. And the other half are more muted, and they contain a lot of gray, so they are more soft colors. So this is warm and clear. It's warm and soft. Warm and clear. Warm and soft. The clear ones are, although they are not too bad on you, I think they might be a bit overpowering. Instead, the softer ones are more balanced. When I see you with these colors, I see your face first, and then I see the color. With these ones, I think they are a bit overpowering, and you see the color first, and then you see your face. And same for this one. It's a bit bright to intense. Instead, this one is quite elegant. So based on these drapes, I would say that you are soft as a third category. The analysis is complete. Now we know that you are a deep, warm, and soft. So now I'm going to show you all of the colors that are in your palette. and we can discuss combinations as well. The main thing that you have to think about, like how to find the balance when you are dressed, of course, is having deeper colors close to your face. And as being a deep, you are the only category that can pull off a head to toe black look. So if you are head to toe wearing black, you can definitely be okay and you can be elegant and sophisticated with it. So when you think about light colors, the one way of wearing them would be, if you can, next to your face, just close to your face, having something deeper, and then you can have lighter colors. Or, for example, if you have a white shirt, then of course having a jacket or a tie then will bring some depth in the combination, so then it will be balancing out a little bit better. In terms of whites, you have soft white, which is this one. So if you have a suit, or when you go, for example, playing at weddings, then you can opt for a soft white shirt rather than a crisp white. So that could be a nice combination. And then you also have ivory, so a little bit, because of course you are then warm as undertone. So then you can see that there is the difference between these two is that definitely this has a lot more yellow in it. And it's matching quite nicely with your warm undertone. So these are your whites. And then you have some neutral colors like stone and taupe. These colors are still quite light, so you have to remember to pair them with darker colors. The one thing that you would want to avoid is wearing pastel colors on their own without bringing in some depth with other darker colors. So all of these colors are in your palette, but you cannot wear them by themselves. You will need to pair them with something darker. For example, you have pewter is a neutral. For example, you can have a t-shirt or a shirt of this color and then having lighter colors as trousers. If you wanted to wear lighter colors, it's better to wear them away from your face and having darker colors next to you. Yeah. And then, for example, mahogany. This is quite a rich color. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
A nice t-shirt or a sweater in winter. You can also think about sportwear. If you go play tennis, you can find a nice t-shirt of this color. And it's still a neutral, so you can wear it with other neutral colors or with more fun colors. Coffee brown
Coffee brown.
and chocolate. Yeah. Black brown, so even darker. This is basically matching your hair perfectly.
Yeah.
So if you think about in terms of pairing, if you have a soft white shirt with a black brown, is quite like a nice neutral combination. Teal, again, sportswear t-shirts, like a fun t-shirt for summer is perfect in this color. Pine,
Beautiful.
this is a really good color. Actually, I think it brings out the green in your eyes, and the forest green even more. Oh, nice. Then you have moss,
Ah,
so it's a bit lighter. It's a good option because it's soft and warm, so really good. And again, I think your eyes look lighter in this color, more than this.
really?
I think so.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And then olive, so a little bit of a darker shade.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, really good.
Really good.
Aubergine.
Mm.
This could be a nice color for winter, like autumn or winter. Nice sweater or again sweatshirt as well. In addition to the greens that you like. Reds look good on you. Yeah. Look at this.
I have a polo.
That you don't wear.
No.
That you will now start wearing. Because look at this.
Ah,
It's really good.
really good.
Yeah.
Do you see, mommy? I can wear.
You can wear it. Yes. Tomato red and rust.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer it.
Can you imagine like a nice like linen shirt
Yeah.
and rust,
Wow.
softer, so more muted color. Primrose, again, quite light. But if you were to pair it with the greens, and
yeah.
it, see,
Yeah.
and it could be even in a t-shirt with some like patterns. It doesn't have to be like blocked colors, or even and any green, like darker green, even with the blue. I like navy blue and yellow.
Really nice.
Yeah. Emerald green. Mm. Yes.
Bello.
Machi?
Bello, bello. I have a polo on this color.
Yeah.
In this color.
Which now you will start wearing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we change.
Can you see that it works?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Great. We've looked at all of your colors. As we said, you are deep, warm, and soft. The best combinations are deeper colors together or in contrast. So if you do want to wear lighter colors, I would suggest to wear them away from your face. So trousers, you can go wild with shoes, but not having like really light colors next to your face. But also if you want to wear dark on dark, you can also pull that off. And then remember going like leaning towards warmer colors and softer colors rather than really bright colors.
Wow. Wow.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mirko, for today.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.